Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook with the air fryer. To begin, always preheat your air fryer for at least 3 to 5 minutes before adding food. This helps achieve consistent results. Many recipes will suggest temperatures around 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Use just 1 to 2 teaspoons of oil or a light spray to help your food crisp up beautifully, avoiding excess grease. This simple preparation step makes a big difference in taste and texture. For optimal cooking, avoid overcrowding your air fryer basket. Always place food in a single layer. This ensures that every piece gets direct exposure to the circulating hot air, resulting in that desired crispy texture. Remember to shake the basket or flip items like chicken wings or vegetables halfway through the cooking process. This simple action guarantees even browning and a uniform cook, preventing some parts from being under or overdone. To prolong the life of your air fryer's nonstick coating, always use pump spray oil or brush oil directly onto your food, rather than aerosol sprays. For incredibly easy cleanup, consider using air fryer-specific parchment paper liners, ensuring they are weighted down by food and do not obstruct the hot airflow. After each use, allow the appliance to cool, then wash the basket and drawer with warm, soapy water. This simple routine keeps your air fryer ready for its next delicious meal. The air fryer excels at transforming frozen foods. Imagine crispy French fries in just 15 minutes or perfectly golden chicken nuggets in 12. It is also fantastic for fresh produce. Try roasting broccoli florets or sliced zucchini with a touch of olive oil for 10 minutes at 380 degrees Fahrenheit. Don't be afraid to experiment with your favorite foods, adjusting cooking times and temperatures by small increments until you achieve your ideal results. Enjoy the convenience and delicious outcomes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.